Got a gap in your smile that's making you feel insecure? Wondering whether to choose a dental bridge or an implant? I'm Dr. Ben Hiener, and I am here to give you information you need to decide. At Shady Spring Dental Care, we know choosing the right option can be tough. And here's the deal, dental implants are often the best choice for long-term results. Unlike bridges, they rely on damaging adjacent teeth for support. Dental implants are directly anchored into your jawbone, giving you a natural look and feel that lasts a lifetime. With implants, you can enjoy your favorite foods without worry, and they help prevent bone loss, keeping your jaw healthy, and best of all, they look and function like natural teeth. At Shady Spring Dental Care, we're here to guide you through every step of the process, ensuring you make the best choice for your smile. Ready to take the next step? Visit Shady Spring Dental Care online or call us now. Your perfect smile is just an implant away.